Hello, everyone. My name is Hannah Visser. I'm a current fourth-year medical student at William Carey University College of Osteopathic Medicine. Today, I'll be presenting my research, which involved assessing the quality of content available on TikTok regarding postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, otherwise known as POTS. There are over 1 billion TikTok users worldwide who rely on the app to stay updated with news and information. It is also estimated that 0.2% of the general population have been diagnosed with POTS. Due to the popularity of medical discussions on TikTok, including POTS, we decided to further evaluate the quality of information available to TikTok users. In order to do this, 4 separate new TikTok accounts were created. Each account used the same date of birth as well as similar usernames in order to keep some sense of control using TikTok's algorithm. Using all 4 accounts, 100 separate TikTok videos were viewed and analyzed. The videos were found through the search feature by searching terms of postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome diagnosis, and postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome treatment. Each video was then evaluated using the Discern scoring system, as well as a global quality score to assess quality. Discern score and global quality score was then calculated for the entire sample, the content made by physicians and the content made by non-physicians. In the bottom left corner, you can see the global quality score system and the 3 questions it requires, allowing a high score of 15. Discern scores, which is figure 4 and can be found on the right side of the poster, is much more detailed and comprised of 16 questions, allowing a highest score of 80. Discern and GQS was then calculated for the entire sample. Oh, I already read that. Sorry about that. Our results showed a very clear evidence of overall low quality content. Only 21% of the content was made by physicians. There was an overall average discern score of 35.99 with a standard deviation of 8.86. Global quality score had an average of 8.51 with a standard deviation of 1.96. As you can see in figure 2 and 3, both for global quality score and discern respectively, there is a skew over to lower quality scores. The finding that's most interesting, in my opinion, is the large difference between physician-created content available on TikTok as well as non-physician-created content. Physicians created statistically significantly higher quality content in comparison to non-physicians with a p-value of less than 0.001. Overall, throughout our research, we found that many of the videos were lacking any source of further information. They also had a very clear lack of encouragement for viewers to reach out to their local healthcare providers when they had questions. Some limitations of our research include the subjectivity that is inherent with both the use of GQS and Discern. We attempted to remedy this subjectivity by having each scoring member score the same 5 videos. We then compared all their scores, and there was no significant difference between each scoring. In the future, we would love to recreate this project with a much larger number of videos watched, as well as with different diseases to see how it might fluctuate amongst different types of diseases. Overall, our recommendation for physicians that create content on both TikTok but all social media to raise the quality of it by including sources, inclusion of different treatment options, and the possible repercussions, as well as the discussion of shared decision-making between patients and clinicians. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.